हाँ भाई तू बोल, हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, बोल तू।
वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अंडरवियर में शूट करने का?
बहुत अच्छा है, वो मेरे साथ था तो अच्छा ही लगेगा ना। बहुत अच्छा है। रोज जब मैं उठता हूँ अंडरवेयर में उठता हूँ, रोज जब मैं सोता हूँ अंडरवेयर में सोता हूँ। उसके बीच में जो होता है वो मैं बता नहीं सकता इधर।
नहीं, यहाँ सेट पे इतने सारे
सेट पे बहुत नहीं, मस्त था यार, एकदम मस्त था, अच्छा हवा चल रहा था, जॉन भाई थे तो मतलब एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है।
एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे हम लोग।
हाँ, खुश थे।
ओके जॉन, हाल ही में हाउसफुल 3 के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि आपको सांड बताया, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इस फिल्म में नहीं है, तो क्या आप भी उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, वो तो बॉस है।
ओके, अक्षय खन्ना जी कैसे हैं आप? यहाँ
भाई संभाल के बोझ, अभी संभाल के बोझ।
जी बिल्कुल। इतने दिनों की छुट्टियों पर गए थे आप या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? क्योंकि अमूमन देखा जाता है कि लोग छुट्टियों पर कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं या कहीं कुछ भी जाते हैं।
नहीं, I was not on holiday. I had some serious personal issues which I had to take care of, and nothing other than that.
Obviously shown you, but I don't want to offend anyone over here. But I think the swag factor, I think it's just about the attitude that Rohit kind of told us to keep. Junaid and Kabir are two very distinct characters, and their characteristics are very distinct. He's quite hardcore. He is a loose cannon, and Junaid's a rookie cop. He wants to learn. He's very eager to learn. He wants to be part of the. So while I'm trying to be like hardcore and stuff, andar se I'm having a lot of insecurities and reservations, but I want to look cool. So that's why I have the bulldog and stuff. But yeah, honestly, I think the swag, where does it come from, bhaiya?
I don't know, it probably just comes from me, I guess.
Yeah, he's naturally
They both are just
swag.
copying me, Varun and John.
Naturally swag.
Why don't you show us how John walks and how I walk? No, show us. Why don't you show us? Just show us. Why don't you show us? No, just so he should know that this is not home where I'm the younger brother. This is my house. I've done this very often. I know all these people. So I think, why don't you show us? You can't bully me over here.
No. So it's a huge team that comes together to make them look so good.
वरुण,
और ये आवाज,
यस
पांडे जी कितनों को आपने क्या क्या करा है? आप हो ना इधर? हाँ
जी मैं यहीं हूँ। ओके वरुण, ये डिशुम
सर,
इसका
पहले तो मैं बोलूँ आपकी आवाज सब लोग हिल गए
Does
इधर।
that have an echo in
No,
it?
that's
His
his-
mic?
पांडे जी आप प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए।
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
That's Mr. पांडे।
Yes, hello, Mr. Pandey.
थैंक यू। ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है? इस पूरी फिक्शन में कुछ कनेक्शन है?
सर बहुत कनेक्शन है। डिशुम आई थिंक पुराने फिल्म्स, आई थिंक मोर देन मी, आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। आई थिंक लेट हिम ओनली। व्हाई डिड वी कॉल इट डिशुम?
डिशुम जो वर्ड है, आई थिंक एटलीस्ट हमारे देश में, इंडिया में, बिफोर यू से मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी, बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है। मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो, you know, of any age, any strata of society, it's the first word that usually a child utters while he's playing with his toys and just beating them up himself. So I just feel it, ये action genre जो होता है, there's no better word to describe it in our country. You know, dishum just means punch, and whether it's a line, a punch line, or it's someone hitting each other, or it's a chopper or a bike or a speedboat, जिस बात में वो थोड़ी पंच हो, it's just that means dishum for me.
तो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किसको सबसे ज्यादा डिशुम बोला है?
बोला नहीं, मतलब साउंड सुना। हाँ, वरुण को मारते वक्त।
A lot.
बहुत खाया उसने बचपन से।
वरुण,
Why did
Why
you
did you
restrict
restrict it, John?
Yeah.
every time I pulled it down, Varun pulled it back up.
ऐसे नहीं मेरे बच्चों के टीजी है ऊपर करना।
Hi Varun, John. Yeah.
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारती हुई मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like Virat Kohli. But his name is Virat Sharma, and he's not Virat Kohli.
I think except the name, I love the name, and I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a Roy agent.
I'm not a Roy agent in this, so it's a different template. It's a different format. It's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space. I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So it's fantastic, yeah, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So congratulations to all of you on social media.
Auntie, I see you and faint all the time. आपको तो पता है हमारा last time you answered a question, you called me something, so I said this time I'm not going to tell you
What'd she
anything.
call you?
I
Tell
can't
me,
say it over.
please.
I can't say it over. We have a
Fitness mantra? Turning sexy mantra. I mean, you know,
What do you do? Any oils, any milk, any मतलब no. Even I think. What do you do?
come on.
No, how do I know?
follow your mantra. I mean, like, I just think that if you work out and you know, diet and see, honestly speaking, a lot of people thinks it comes very easy, but we all can tell you it doesn't. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of discipline when you need to work out and make a body. And these guys, I mean, I know when we were shooting in Abu Dhabi and you guys were doing your chaddi shot, it was like you guys worked for worked out for at least 40 days straight. They weren't, you know, eating any carbs. So it's very difficult, and I think more than anything, you've just got to be happy as well. You've got to be happy.
I've always been scared of the media, so nothing new.
John, Varun, here.
हाँ जी सर.
Yeah, towards your left.
What's up? How's it going?
जानना चाहूँगा कि इसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच की बात हो रही है, तो इसमें पाकिस्तान कितना है और क्या लगता है कि अगर वो नेगेटिव रेफरेंस है पाकिस्तान का तो पाकिस्तान
I would like to clear this. बिल्कुल नेगेटिव रेफरेंस नहीं है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ या किसी भी कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ. It's a very positive representation, and in fact, what we are trying to show that for certain people sometimes money is the religion. It's not being an Indian or being a Pakistani or being a Hindu or being a Muslim or a Christian or whatever. Money is sometimes the biggest motive behind things, and जो आम जनता होती है, they get fooled into thinking that, oh, this is the reason. But I think in today's day and age, at least in the capitalist world that we live in, money is the biggest driving force for most crimes, I feel.
एक सवाल और है कि जो क्रिकेटर किडनैप होता है उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है, जो मिलता जुलता विराट कोहली से है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या कुछ विराट कोहली से इस बारे में बात हुई या कुछ बताएंगे?
I mean, when I met Virat because we both support the same team in football, so I've told him about it. He knows that we are making something on these lines, and he's quite cool about it.